using crypto.com in Canada. In this video, you're going to learn how to use crypto.com in Canada. So let's get started. The first step is you need a mobile application to use crypto.com in Canada. You can download this application from App Store or Play Store. As for Android user, you can download it from Play Store, and if you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store. If you do not want it to download from both of these applications, you can download it from their website. You just have to go to your browser and search for crypto.com, and in the results section, click on the link that says crypto.com. After clicking on this link, their menu will appear, and from here you can see the option that says download app, or you can scan their QR code. After downloading the app, start using it in Canada. Just because you can find it on the Google, the crypto.com is available in Canada, and all the steps will be mentioned on their website. That's all. That's how you will be able to use crypto.com in Canada. You can see the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, Cronos, every rate on their mobile application. This is a very simple process. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this. Note that crypto.com offers a zero free and localized way for Canadian residents to top up their CAD wallets via e-transfer through their bank accounts. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.